All right, everybody, let's go ahead and pick number 2, our second winner for the second week in a row. This is for the My Daily Threads Planner. I am going to go ahead and drop the video URL there. We are going to filter duplicate users, and we are going to scroll down and hit start. Actually, we're not. We have to get the comments first. There were 16 unique comments. You all are seeing this in real time. Let's start. All right, and I am not going to make a mistake and butcher your name. Congratulations, Sewing Closet. C Sewing Closet. I hope that is okay that I said that. Make sure that you reach out to me. You will see my email, naturaldane@gmail.com, so we can arrange to get you your planner. Thank you, everybody, for entering again the giveaway. And of course, stay tuned for this week's giveaway that is talked about in today's video. Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to be bringing a pattern review. I feel like I haven't brought a make in a long time, but anyway, I am here today. This will be a quick pattern review. I want to say congratulations again to the winner of the My Daily Threads Planner. As you all know, I am doing 4 weeks of giveaways every week for the next well, it's 2 more weeks left, and I will talk about what this week's giveaway is, and it will end on the 10th. So the day that you're seeing this starts today, and then you will have until Friday, December 10th at 11:59 Central Time to enter the giveaway. So stay tuned till after the review and I'll let you know what that is. But let's just jump right into this review. Again, I feel like it's been forever since I've done a garment here on the channel, it feels like, but real quick review. You all know I have been talking about I wanted to make some turtlenecks, and so I did finally. This is the Love Notions Arlington, and so as you can tell, I'll pop up the picture here of the pattern, but there are several versions. You can do a cow neck, a dress version. There is the long sleeve gathered version, short sleeve. I did the short puff sleeve, as you can tell, and I'm actually pairing it with my Itch to Stitch Mountain View jeans, and you'll see in the pictures too as they pop up. But overall, real quick, I absolutely love this pattern. I told you I wanted to make some, and the key for me was making it in the right type of fabric. Now here's the kicker. I can't tell you where I got this fabric from. All I know was folded up, sitting on top of the pattern, because I knew I wanted to use it to make the pattern, but don't remember where I got. I feel like I might have picked this up at JoAnn's, but I don't know. But it's only 45 inches wide, so that makes me believe I picked it up at JoAnn's and I did not order it online, because usually, as you all know, I love wide width fabric, and so I can't see me ordering black. Obviously this is black, and 45, because this was maybe 50. For the pattern, it calls for 54 to 60 inches, and you do need that because of the band at the bottom. I did add there's 6 total pattern pieces. I added the hem band for the sleeve and the hem band for the bottom. This is made for a person that's 5'5". I'm 5'7". However, I am short at the top. My torso is short, so this was perfect for me. Let me just stand up and you'll see in the pictures. Here's my, as you can tell, my waist. Here is where the band comes on me, which is perfect. It worked out perfect for me. And the thing, I don't know if you can tell, these are actually 2 different fabrics. This is a fleece. No, It's a jersey. Yes, it is a jersey fleece. This is a drapier. As you can tell, this is like a viscose jersey is much more drapier. But I didn't have enough of this to do the hemband because it's wider and then you fold it in half and whatnot. So I used this one. So this one, the hemband, is not as stretchy, but it absolutely worked out perfect. It has stretch, as you can tell, but it's not as stretchy as you can tell with the rest of the top. So that absolutely worked perfect. And for me, because I am more my torso is shorter, it hits me perfectly. So I didn't have to shorten it at all. One of the other things I wanted to point out is I use the size that I cut for this particular pattern was a large, starting at the shoulders. Let me put my notes over here. Starting at the shoulders, large, and then I did large all the way down until around the bust, and then I went out to an extra large. And I did use, for this pattern, it has a full bust front piece, so you do have the option to use that. And I do use the full bust options when I'm doing Love Notions patterns. So, and as you know, for this pattern, from the line drawing that had popped up, you do have the option to do the turtleneck, the mock neck, and the cowl. So I did the turtleneck and absolutely love. And of course, because I started with the large, this is a large turtleneck. And as you can tell, this is a very drapey loose. You can tell the turtleneck worked out perfect. I absolutely love the gather on the sleeves. I love adding the cuff. You do have the option not to add the hemband, the cuff at the bottom of the sleeve, but I thought that was a nice touch, so I went ahead and added that. Sewed up everything on my serger. I typically sew in on my machine like neck bands, and then I serged just to make sure I caught everything. And so that's what I did. Now, one of the things was, because I was running out of fabric, you do cut the neck on the fold, and so I actually had to cut 2 pieces and sew it together. So I added on an extra ½ inch to make sure everything would fit perfectly, but then that meant I had 2 seams on it. So what I did, and little tips so you don't have a seam running under, you won't see a seam here. I just made sure that the seams that would have been normally in the front and the back, I connected them on the shoulder seams. So the front and the back is, you know, you don't see a seam, but there is a seam on the side, and you can't tell because it's black, but there's a seam on the side that just aligns with the shoulder seam. So I made no other changes, adjustments, or anything. Absolutely perfect. And now I am ready to make more. Like I said, I really just want to see the construction. It took me only an hour to do this. Only an hour to do this. So super simple and fast. It's a very easy sew. I do highly recommend it. So if it comes back up on that $5, you know how they do the feature Fridays for Love Notions? Easy. Go ahead and pick this up. The instructions are only a couple pages. And if you've sewn something like this before, you might, you know, probably won't even take you that long. It just all depends. And so but yeah, that's all I have to say. I absolutely love it. I'll be popping up pictures here of me in it and how I styled it. Just worn with some short black booties today. That's how I planned the look. However, I will say it's too hot for me to wear this. Yes, it is in December, and actually the day I'm filming this is before I've chosen my winter, but it's in the 80s and it's warm. It is warm outside, so I don't need to be wearing a turtleneck, but I made it anyway. And that because when it do get a little cooler, and we'll have our cool days, the drape, more of a viscose jersey like this, a drapier jersey, is what I would love to make a turtleneck out of, because then it will be perfect. I don't think I will go any heavier like a ponte, at least for me personally, here in Texas, because this is enough. This is enough for sure. So yeah, that is my review of the Arlington. I highly recommend it. You know, they go up to a size 5X. Yeah, extra small to 5X. So you do have a very nice size range, and that it goes up to a 31-inch bust up to a 55-inch bust. But if you have full bust, so for my larger breasted ladies, it starts from a 33-inch up to a 57.5-inch. And with the full bust options, front options, there is 2 extra inches in the waist and the hip. So also keep that in mind. And so, which is nice because that, you know, you got the curves in the pattern piece for that. So yeah, that is my review. I highly recommend it. And yeah, let me know what you think and down in the comment section below. But let's get into the giveaway. This week's giveaway again starts today, the day that you're seeing this, which is Sunday, December 5th, and we'll close on Friday, December 10th, and I will announce the winner on the 12th. So next week Sunday I'll announce the winner, and then we'll have our final giveaway. But today's giveaway is from Needle Sharp, and so I have heard, and I'm gonna put on the screen, share the screen with you a little bit, because I struggled a little bit on what initially, I guess I just initially knew them as a subscription box company, but then when I was looking at the website and looking over everything, I was like, oh, they offer this and this, you know, fabric, notions, different things of that nature. So I thought I would give you all the option of what you want to get by gifting you a $50 gift card from Needle Sharp, and you can apply it towards whatever it is that you prefer or like from the company. So that is my gift. And again, the reason I'm doing this is because of the support that I have received from followers here on YouTube. Thank you for sharing videos. Thank you for your lovely comments, and just thank you for your overall support. So that will be the giveaway this week. And how do you enter? Of course, you are a subscriber, and what you will put down in the description box is Needle Sharp gift card. That's it. I'll put that on the screen. That's what you put down below. And yeah, I will choose the winner. It closes on the 10th of December, and then I will announce the winner on next week Sunday. So the winner of last week's the My Daily Threads planner, make sure that you email me. I should have said that in the first part of the video, and reach out to me. So yeah, we can arrange to get you your 22 My Daily Threads planner. The last thing I want to mention, so random, I went to Walmart. So for those who are in the United States, I went to Walmart, and I was picking up some else, but they had this clearance section. This thing was on sale for $10, marked down to $10, and it's an LED light, and I was like, oh, it was normally $15. So go to your local Walmart, and they may have some of these. They had this color, gray, and a tan, so I decided to pick up this color. But I thought it was nice because you know, sewing machine wise, it's nice to have a light. But if I decide to record something when it's not as light outside, look how bright this light is. Isn't that nice? That is a bright, so you know, I didn't necessarily need it today, but I just set it there next to my camera. Look at that. Adds a little extra lighting. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this on my sewing table for sewing, because sometimes at night, I only have one bulb up in there, but it'll be nice to have something that's just a little bit closer. And so I like how it's a flexible head and everything. Look at that. But yeah, anyway, head over to your local Walmart and see if they have them in stock. $10, and it was on the end cap. So anyway, that is it, everybody. Stay tuned for Wednesday. I should have another make for you. No, I'm probably going to divert, and I think I have received all of my skincare products, and I said I would do a separate video. I know some of you were interested. I may just do a random video on Wednesday, not sewing related. You'll see by the title, so you can watch or choose not to watch. But I did say I would do a video. I may have that video up for you on Wednesday, and then we'll resume with making garments, because I do have a couple things for the husband I want to share with you, and yeah, I'm working on other things as well. But all right, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it. You all have a blessed start to your week, and we will see you on Wednesday. Bye.